Hello student, in the last video I explained the importance of heading and subheading. In this video I will tell you how you can take out a subheading from the paragraphs. Each paragraph how you can take out a subheading. Okay, I will read one by one paragraph and explain what can be the subheading from that paragraph. Let's start. Heading I will give you later on, because for heading we have to read the complete paragraph. Then we have to take out the main topic from the paragraphs. So let's start the reading. Deserts are usually hot and barren places, yet they are also beautiful. A few plants, rocks and dusty red-brown soil make up the ingredients of most North American desert, where there is sufficient food and water for certain animals to survive. So, what is the main point in this paragraph? The main point is in this paragraph is explaining what is a desert. So, I can give the subheading like only desert. That is sufficient. If I reading the desert, the reader will came to know that this paragraph is all about desert. What is a desert? Okay. Second, one famous dry and hot place in the world with no visible rock or plant, barely any water, is the Sahara Desert. It is the largest desert in the world and is located in northern Africa. It gives the impression of an ocean of pure white sand. Surprisingly, the Sahara is home to many strange animals. Now you will tell, what is the main point of this paragraph? The main point is it is explaining Sahara deserts. So we can take the subheading as Sahara Desert also. We can also take the subheading as the largest desert, that is Sahara Desert. Right? Now move forward further to next topic. These animals have survived over many generations because they were able to adapt to their particular conditions. However, a certain number of species were unable to adapt fast enough to their environment and so died out. I have just cut the paragraph into two parts. Why? Because this till here we are explaining something, and but after that we have taken the another topic. That's I have divided this complete paragraph into two parts so that two different subheading we can give. So till here what we have seen? We have seen that it is describing the survival of the animals. So we can take the subheading as survival of animal, like how they can survive. Now, the next. One of the most interesting animal in the Sahara is sand sting, which is in French means fish of desert. The sand sting behaves just like a fish, except that instead of in water, it swims through the sand. Its legs act as fins and the hard scales on its skin act as armor, helping it move through the sand. A piece of transparent skin protects its eyes as it swims through the sand. Its legs are covered with skin to prevent dehydration. So, what is the paragraph is all about? It is explaining what? It is explaining sand sting. So we can give the subheading as the sand sting fish. Right? Again move to another topic. Another desert animal that hides from the sun is desert shrimp. The lifespan of these tiny animals is only about 2 weeks, because that is about when puddles of water from the desert rainstorm dry up. They are able to survive in the hot condition, but without their main source of survival, they dehydrate and are virtually roasted to that. So what is the main topic of this paragraph? What is the main point of this paragraph? That is This paragraph is explaining about a desert sheep. So we can give the title desert sheep or subheading desert sheep to this paragraph. Right? Now you are understanding how you had to give subheading. Let's move to another topic. One of the rare animals able to bask in the desert sun is the camel. For many hundreds of years, the camel has been the horse of the desert, helping travel across the desert. This horse is slow moving, yet it is big and strong enough to carry extremely heavy loads. The camel has larger feet, almost like snowshoes. The characteristics prevent it from sinking into the sand. What can be the subheading here? We can give the subheading like the sheep of the desert, camel. We can also give the subheading like horse of the desert, that is camel. We can also give the characteristics of a camel. These are some subheadings. You can decide your own. You can make your own subheading. It is not hard and fast rule then why you have given this subheading only. But it should be the main point of your subheading. One more paragraph. A camel is able to drink up to 118 liters of water in a day. Once it is full, it can move for 5 to 7 days without water. Carrying its own portable water tank, its humps help to store fats, which serve as a storage of strength and removing the need for food, sometimes for a week. In fact, the hump becomes smaller as the camel consumes the fat stored. They also help to regulate the camel's temperature. Now, what will be the subheading here? What will you give the subhead? The subheading can be how camels survive in desert. This can be the subheading here because it is explaining how they survive in desert area. So this can be the subheading how camels survive in desert. In this way, you can give a subheading to a particular